Nenka 19. Anamawa neba na the man can say, I am bathing in the bedroom. Bed. Is there a bed or bed Niger? Oh, we're in a bed Niger and bedroom and bathroom. Don't bed. Okay. Have you bed? Yeah, you all have because I have bedded. I have bedded. I want to bed Niger. In the hell, you never buy all of my head. Oh, no, but I'll tell you more again. Well, more jacket. I don't hear them here. You can't call him. You call him and I get to ash. To do. Okay, I am bathing in the bathroom. I'm in the bathroom bathing. I'm bathing. You keep telling me what I'm bathing. I'm bathing. I'm in the bathroom bathing. I don't know about now. I'm in the bathroom bathing. You go, have you bathed? Yes, I've bathed. Have you had your bath? Yes, I've had my bath. Don't say, have you had your bed? Have you bedded? You just go, cha-cha-cha. Renenka. Jeroma. Go and bath the child. No. Go and bathe the child. No. Go and bathe the child. Give the child a bath. Bath the child. Bathe the child. That's what you should do. I was bathing my baby. I was bathing my baby when you came. And when you called. I was like, God is answering. That's why I'm calling back. Number 22. Stew car. It's stew. It's stew car. When you're speaking Nigerian English, the stew is sweet or the stew is tasty. The stew, in British English, the stew is tasty. Tasty. Tasty, but different word from tasty. Oh, it is tasty. Banana car, it is tasty. What about ice cream? Ice cream can be sweet and tasty at the same time because it has some sugar. Sugar can make something tasty or sweet. And that way sweetened. Whatever you want to sweeten it with sugar. Number 23. Ogobla, ina aboka adu. Ogobla, ina aboka adu. You know what Nigerian English was singing? You are always roaring like a lion. You are always roaring. You don't roar, you roar. Ichimoto geshibu. Raw. I said raw tomato. Raw tomato. Raw tomato. That's some raw. Yes, yeah, papa. Raw. Raw. You roar like a lion. The lion roars. So if your father is in the habit of coming home and shouting, "Go to me here! Go back! Go back!" He said, "Daddy, you always roar like a You always roar like a lion when you come home. Wow! Are you a liar?" Well, I am on chapter 12. Guys, how to translate short Igbo statements to smart English expressions. Short Igbo statements to smart English expressions. And then goes, you can't talk about again. Is it mother? Jiri away. Do you know why? Do you know why? Normally, if I'm honorable, take it easy. Take it easy. Correct. But in modern English, you can always say, easy does it. Say, hey, easy does it. Take it easy. Easy does it. Jiri away. Once I get to Google, say, hey, easy does it. Jiri away. Okay, go. Carol 1. Number 2. Call DH. Where's somebody called DH? You can also say, till tomorrow. I have what I'm making. And then a better way you can say it to show more education. Tomorrow does it. Tomorrow does it. As long as somebody get a fridge, ask for a mother. A more than your mother or in a regular way, I'm a physician, I'm a physician bobble. It's the same tomorrow does it. Monday put tomorrow does it. I will not get wage or next week, or in December, or in January, or in February, or in March, or in May. It is sure I got in May. It's okay, May does it. May next year does it. I will let you say tomorrow does it. I will next week say next week does it. I say, I'm not going to colleague. I said this evening doesn't mean till this evening, till evening, and all that. Our mother English. I check it out. Oh, on the bus at school. Now what is it like? On the morning, I bet you school. You see, tomorrow doesn't. See you later. Tomorrow doesn't. The third one here, Amazon here. Okay, Ibamba. Usually you go stop it. Okay. Now there are replacements, beautiful replacements that stop. Yes, knock it off. Knock is Knock. Knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off. Stop it. Cut it out. Stop it. Cut it out. Stop it. Knock it off. Stop it. Number 4. Who name is number 2? Cut the noise. Cut the noise. Cut the crap. Crap means nonsense. Man, we can cut the crap. Number 5. What came across na here? The beke. What came across na here? The beke gabo. My friend cut the crap. My friend cut the crap. What came cut the crap? James cut the crap. We'll see yeah, it's not right. Number 6. But you know what boo? I don't know what boo. Anybody guys want to get respect yourself. Correct. I don't want to because you want to kiss on here. White to pool. Be your age. Be your age. Okay, be your age. Yeah, no. Be your age. Okay, but you said behave well. Oh no, this be your age is not behaving well. So just to caution them, he said, be your age, mister. Number 7. SB when they win. Or SB when them. SB when they win. Or SB when they win. Now because I'm very angry, you're correct. But I'm because he get to play or to give you no home. They hear your kumba. It vexed me when I heard it. SB with them bundle. Imana immunicating the mother nature that vex for something reading Kediaso. And the vex ask, let's go to you the young or to Pundu. And I use more in the passive voice. Yes. In a situation where the subject is acted upon. I was vexed. Oh no, it vexed me, okay? It vexed me when I heard. Oh, no vex, broken. Don't vex. You can still go. You look vexed. See, yes, I'm vexed. The way she spoke to me was wrong. And I demand an apology. Number 9. You look vexed. That's what she said. Mom, you look vexed. What is it? Says your father. He insulted me. He spoke to me the way I didn't like. So, I want to get vex. Number 10. What can happen to Maka? I just not Muslim. What can happen to Maka? I just not Muslim. Nobody can sing. Mister, leave me. Stop disturbing me. All the correct. But I don't about. Mister, give me a break. Or stop bugging me. Bug. B-U-G, bug. Bugging. Am I bugging you? Am I disturbing you? Am I inconveniencing you? These are questions. So no, you're not inconveniencing me. You're not bugging me. You're not disturbing me. You're not pestering me. And all that. Are you vexed by my appearance? No. Am I disturbing you? Oh no, so because don't disturb. Sorry to disturb. Oh, bad English, please. Sorry to disturb. Bad English. Sorry to disturb. Disturb there be a transitive verb. You must mention whom you're disturbing and all that. Or who is being disturbed and all that. Sorry to disturb you. Sorry to bother you. Good. It must have done sorry to bother. What's it about? The action is still dangling. You're making the verb dangle. The verb should land. So, sorry to disturb. No. Sorry to disturb you. I'm going to well done. That's some well done. What do you mean? Amen. Well done, Gabo. I'm going to miss you. He said, oh, well done. I'm well done. Well done. Well done. Can you hear me by that? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, what's up? How you doing? And all that. 11. The baby I can be a messia. I'm on name my home. When I saw you 12, keep the food. Or rather say, I'll take a rent check on it. I will take a rent check on it. Rain check. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Then C-H-E-C-K. Check. So basically, I will take a rent check on something. It means now, keep the food. I will take a rent check on it. Means I will eat it later. Probably money isn't near, but the PMSM area, I'll take a rent check on that. If I take it, say thank you very much, I'll take a rent check on it. Means I'll eat it later. A rent check. Next, number 12. Okay, make a mother. If you go, you name up one. You know, Peter. Now, watch. Okay, make a mother. Come here, let me get back. So we can look alive. Look getting alive. Look alive. Then make a make a mother. Or you see, make a mother. It's a mister. Look alive. Means be sharp, be active. Make a mother. Be serious. In class, he said, no, look alive, will you? Oh, I gotta go. Stop sleeping on me. Stop sleeping on me. You are sleeping on me. Mba, you are sleeping on me when you can tell up to one girl. Oh, that's all to one girl. Up to one girl. Up to one girl say, do you know that he slept on me last night? I mean, say, yes, he's been doing this. He does it all the time. Hey, Mamia, the way I called you. Show my peer. You lose it, but they don't work about time. Okay, see, I can hear. Also, you are the guy. Abomination. Okay, see, lay yo. You don't know what I'm talking about. You have been chasing your daughter. You have been using your daughter. Okay, see, I'm not going to use your daughter. I am one. After you have been sleeping on her. I didn't care who my mother. I said, Mom, can you? I said, what are you going to? I said, Mom, tell her what you mean. And what? To sleep on somebody means, on your number, go bring out a hole on a day. I mean, I said, I wash. I left the money on a day. I was sleeping in the yammer to sleep with slippers. I see, what can I do? Sleep with. No, bro, sleep on. Oh, to ya can to work up that what but I say, sir, one boy, I want boy call soon, one, yeah, one again, okay, wine, and 1 hour a bit. See, I see, I'm a share leg. I'm a share leg. And I'm a good blanket. I'm a see, in a new command. On one of the building, okay, be in your room. Appear me, you could never get chair 3. Where one time, okay, where lobby I have with them one of the people should chat. I will get there, so gala. In a young man, I'm rich wine. I'm not yet. Every guy that boy, a lot of it. She make a baby 1 year old with him, mother kid. Like I said, lay him in. I was told to go to share a leg. Now, when I got we're going to shoot at the time. Like a Japotania, Kutia can share a leg. That's all we hear with it. When you share a leg, I say, hey, now I'm going to now. A share a leg means wake up. Hi. One of us never hear me. Okay, I'm not my new one. Okay, we hear with a man. I said, don't worry, no problem. But you couldn't do Woji. I'm going to work out. Also, go see my gun get about okay after see okay you're under arrest. Arrest this man. Like I said, there you go. I'm like this boy. This boy, but that's not wait, but one there a bit. Now see, share leg. I say, yes, share leg meaning will wake up. Then they were this boy, they would be going to see to try. I say, yes, the boy came to wake you up. You know what you boss him. Get a call again. As the boy stand, we are not wanted to be a say, I'm not here, you got a buffet, you got a beer. Okay, but I'm just about your eye. And there be a war.